Good morning to one and all of you.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
So, welcome to our today's session on basics of Excel.
Good morning, everyone. Once again, I'm having issues with my camera. My apologies for that. But from our side, I would also like to welcome everyone to this session. And also, Shito, thank you very much for hosting this.
It's a
And
pleasure.
we are really looking forward to everyone having a very educational session. So wishing all the very best.
Great.
And Shito, over to you.
Yes, thank you so much. So, a very warm welcome again. So, just a small introduction about, we are from KPI Consulting, KPI Ladder. So, we do provide, top-notch, technical trainings and consulting on various niche technologies. It's wonderful having you all today here for this session. So, may I request you all for just to, switch on your camera so that we can quickly have a photo session before we just proceed with our today's topics.
Yes, I would request all the participants if you can probably switch on your camera. We can take a quick snapshot and post to that. We will be having our session started. And everybody can come to camera. It's okay, no problem. It's early morning. We understood that you will be not feeling, but that's okay. That's fine. That's how it is, right? There should be an entire day of learning day, I would say. So let's join us quickly, maybe 10 seconds we shall wait, and then maybe we can start up the session. Yes, Avinash, you were saying something? Okay, Shanti, yeah. All of you, 10 seconds quickly, that's fine. Okay, so I think we have still participants coming in. I got to see that we are close to 50, and maybe we should wait for another 2 to 3 minutes. Giovanni, what say? We wait or we will start the
Uh,
session?
are are there still participants joining at the moment?
I think so because
Looks like, yes, 50 as of
Yeah.
now.
Okay. All right. Shall we give it another minute then, just to be sure?
all right. Okay.
Certainly.
Okay.
We should just wait for that minute
All
and
right.
we can start off. Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, just to reminding you that Sheetal will be asking everyone to share their screen as well. So, it will be a hands-on session. So, once she will complete the session, complete the particular topic, you have to practice of your own, and you have to share your screen. All right, Sheetal.
Yes, yes, absolutely. I will also be sharing the exercises that we can go through together.
Okay.
And this would be of a good hands on.
All right. I think maybe we can start the session slowly, and then maybe we can take a pause in between wherever is required.
Great.
Yes, all right. I think that's good.
Sure. So today we will be going through the basics of MS Excel. So Excel is a spreadsheet program, a Microsoft Office application. I'm sure you people are aware about it. It is not just a spreadsheet where we just type random data or information. It has much more to its features. It is also used for reporting, building dashboards, auditing, data analysis, financial analysis, and a lot more. So now, if I ask you all, you know, do you know the version of Excel that you are working on? So let me quickly share my screen where I'll show you how we get such basic details. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
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 Great.
Yes.
So when you want to know the version of Excel that you are working on, you need to go to File, and there you can go to this option on Account. When you go there, you will see the product information towards your right. So the product that is activated on my Excel is Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2021. So that is how you get to know the version of Excel that you are working on. Would you like to try it on your screens? Is this particular thing clear?
Yes.
Yes, but
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have a
Yes.
problem because, teacher, I'm working on a MacBook, so actually I had to pay for Excel, but I have a similar application, VPS Office, that also provides me with Excel, so I don't think it's gonna be the same.
Okay. So we can just look at that as we go further, but just to go through the basics in Excel, we can have it discussed, and whatever doubts you have, you can always send it back to me or clear it out a bit later once the session is done. Would that be okay?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. So as we all know, Excel, you find various spreadsheets, right? So how many worksheets do you think you can add in a single workbook? Any answers for that?
I
Okay.
think limitless.
Hmm. Okay. Anybody else? Okay.
I
Let me take
think
you through.
maybe around 20.
20? Okay. Okay, sure. In an Excel spreadsheet, you can add up to 255 worksheets in a single workbook. As you all know, the rows in Excel works on rows and columns, right? So the rows run horizontally and the columns, as you see, run vertically. Correct? So can you see all these things on the top of the page, which is file, home, insert, page layout? These are all called as ribbons. Okay. So any guesses? How many rows do we have in Excel?
A lot.
Any specific number?
1,000 plus.
6,000.
Okay. Okay, to know how many rows we have in Excel, you need to press Control and right arrow, and then again Control and down arrow. So what's the number of rows that you see here? It is 10,48,576 rows in Excel. So we have 10,48,576 rows in Excel. Any idea about the number of columns? Because columns are alphabetically coded here, right? In Excel. So you can see A column, B column, C column. So any guesses how many columns we have?
26.
I
Anybody else?
think 3 multiple by 26.
Okay. Okay, so to find out the number of columns, because they are coded alphabetically here, what we need to do is go to File, okay? And then you have something called Options here. Can you see it on my screen?
Yes.
So you need to come to Formulas, and once you choose this R1C1 reference style, you will see that your now columns are coded in numbers. Earlier they were in alphabets. Can you see now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, like that? So again,
Can
when you
you
press,
show again where you went to options, please?
yes, you need to go to File and then go to Options. You have something called Options here. And then you can come to Formulas, the one below General. Are you able to get that?
Yes.
Yes,
Great. So
got it.
there is,
Thank you.
yes, and you just need to click on R1C1 reference style. That is row 1, column 1 reference style. This changes your column, which are in alphabets, to numbers. So you can notice the number of columns. To notice the number of columns, again, same thing. Just press Control and right arrow. Now you can see we have 16,384 columns in Excel.
Control plus.
Are you able to get this?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
So again, you need to change it back because you can just remove that option of R1 reference style and you will see it's again changed back alphabetically. So you can make a note that we have 16,384 columns in Excel and 10,48,576 rows in Excel, right? So today we will be doing one of some features and functions in basic Excel. So I'm sure you all work with data in your maybe educational institutions or maybe at your workplace. And in this particular spreadsheet, you might be copying and pasting a lot of data, right? So today we will work with one feature called Paste Special in Excel. So what is Paste Special? It lets you paste specific contents, values, comments. It allows you to do basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and much more. So let's quickly, we will try a, hands-on thing with this. So what I will do is I will share it with you all, a sheet where, okay. So sorry, I think I had some network issue.
No, I think you have to just put chat in the chat. You can.
Yeah. One sec. Got that. I just got logged out for a second. So we will look at. I'm sharing this file with you all in the chat. If you all can open it, we can work on it simultaneously, and that will show us more features, special features about paste special. So let me also quickly open my file. Have you received it?
No, we haven't
It's
received
in the
any
it's
calls.
in the chat inbox. So let me just check.
No, I don't see it.
No, ma'am, I don't see it in the chat inbox.
Uh-oh, 1 minute. Try to resend it again. It shows. Just give me a second, please.
Yeah, I think we got to see that. Is it? Everyone, please give us a response.
Yeah, it's visible.
Can you? Yeah, okay. Okay,
Yes.
please
Give
download.
the Excel file. Thank you.
Yes, now I see it.
Okay, are you all able to view my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. So today we will be doing a little bit hands-on on paste special feature of Excel, which is a wonderful feature, and it allows you to paste specific contents, values, comments, and even basic operations you can do with this. Now, in the cell number C4, see the intersection of row and column is called a cell. When I click here, you get a name box here which shows my cell location. That is, it is in column number C and row number 4. So you can see we have given a sample text here which is called Excel is magic, which is italicized. It is in blue color, and you can also see there is a red arrow mark to the corner which says, hey there, I'm a comment. Now, when we want to copy these kind of things and put it, what we generally do is we copy and paste, and that generally takes a lot of time. So when you want to paste in the same data for, let's say, a few columns, what you need to do is you need to click on this. You will see a dotted line running all over this text. Are you able to see this line?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. So you can select the range, where you want to paste, and then you can come to this option. Paste is in this clipboard group, if you see here, and down you have something called paste special. When you go there and when you say paste all, you will see the entire thing is copied here, including the comment exactly, italicized in blue color, underlined. It's the exact match what we wanted. We wanted to paste all exactly how the text has been given. Would you like to try this?
Yes.
Great, you can try it. What you can do is come to this cell C4 and press on Control C. And then you select the range here where you want to paste it, and then go to option called paste special. And then you can select the all option and click OK. You will see that the text how it was gets copied including the comment, including the format, how it was, everything gets copied.
I have a question about this part.
Great, tell me.
If I paste it normally,
Mhm.
the functions wouldn't come with the pasting, right?
Okay.
Or
You can share me your screen, please.
oh, it was successful. It was successful here.
Okay.
But let me share my screen. But I wanted to ask only if we paste it like this, the um functions will come with the pasting.
Yes,
Or
see, this copies everything, the values, the format, the comment, everything, paste all. Further,
okay.
when we go to my right side, you can see something like you want to paste only the value, okay? And you do not want this italicized, you do not want underline. So then what do? So what happens here is, in the similar way, you have to click on Excel is magic, this particular cell, C4, and then select the range here where you want to paste only the values. Now we are not going to copy the formatting of the text. We are not going to copy the comment of the text. All we want is just paste values. So you can go to paste special option here and then come to this thing called values and say okay, and now you will see only your value has been copied. That is Excel is magic. And you will see there's no comment here, there's no yellow formatting of the text, it is not italicized, and it is not in color. So all that is not there. So you pasted only your value. These are all very helpful when you work with a large data set where, cut, copying, and pasting is every time it takes a lot of time. So you can use this as a feature that will help you, paste specific contents that you need, or only the formatting part or the comments. It's clear till here? Great. Should we proceed to the next part, that is paste only the format part?
Yes.
So this also works very similarly. You need to choose the text what you want to paste, the format of the text from where you want to paste. Select the range, go to paste special, and just click on this option called format. And now you will see the formatting of yellow color has been highlighted here. Would you all like to try this? Do you want me to repeat it?
Yes, please.
Okay. Now, as you can see, there is no formatting here. Okay. And I want to copy only the format from this particular text. So what do? I need to click Control C on this particular text, select the range up to where I want to, paste this, but I want only the format. I don't want the text, I don't want the values, I don't want the comments. So there is a feature in Paste Special. When you click on Paste Special, you have something called, can you see first part is all, and then you have formulas here, then you have values, and then you have something called format. So when you click on the format and click OK, you will see that only that formatting has been copied from that particular text. Is that clear?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Now, in a similar way, if you want to copy any comments, then it's the same thing. Paste Special allows you to also just copy the comments instead of values and things. Select that particular cell, choose the range, go to Paste Special, and you just want to add the comments. And now you can see I get this red arrow, which highlights only the comments. Did you see that?
Yes.
So this is something,
Yes.
that's very helpful when you're inserting comments on some specific data and, you want to copy it to other things. Paste special will make your work very, very easy when compared to individually, managing that. Now, paste special has another feature that allows you to do basic addition and basic subtraction and basic arithmetic operations, basically. So if I'm not using the sum feature, okay, and I want to add these two numbers. So in Excel, everything you'll have to put it as either equal to or plus, and then select that particular cell that you want to add, put the plus sign and go to the next cell that you wanted to add. So I get the sum of these two numbers. Now, if I want to use paste special and get the formula here, so what I need to do? I just need to copy this 300, the answer that I've got for the first sum, and just place it on the cell next to the number where I want to, use paste special and get the addition done. Then we go to paste special. You can go to formulas and just say add, and you will see that 11 plus 22, 33 automatically comes here once you press the formulas. So you copy this particular cell where you've already made a reference to a particular cell and added it. And then you just come here and go to paste special and use the formula and then just click on the operation below. Below the paste, you have something called operation and you just want to add them. So you just highlight or click on the add and then click OK and you get the values there. Would you all want to try that on your systems?
Yes.
Great. So you can try it, and if you have any doubts, you all can ask, and then we can proceed a bit more on the formatting part. We have some interesting data here, so we will be working on that as well. So you can just try this out. Here, what you need to do is click on equal to sign, choose the cell number that you want to add, put a plus sign, and then copy the next cell. You get the value. Here, what you need to do is, since you want to use paste special to add and no other statistical formula there, so you just click on this added number and then come to this cell where you want to get the value. Go to paste special, come to formulas and just press on add and click OK. So paste special can also be used for basic mathematical operations. It's a very nice feature that we use. So once you people feel it is okay, I will go to the next particular exercise. Are you all able to get that? It's okay. It comes with practice and it's very easy. All you need to do is copy it. Just go to the paste special option and go through those points that are there and you get it. Is it clear? Any doubts?
Clear, clear.
Great, great. Wonderful to know that it's going okay for all of you. You can also share if you have any doubts later, you can let me know and I'll definitely clarify it. So coming to this particular exercise, now we have a particular data here, which says we have salary and bonus, correct? And now the HR person wants to find out what is the net salary of this person. And we want to use a pay special feature. So what do we do? See, I will not do anything here because this will tamper my original salary that was there for the employee. So what we can do is we can put this salary, copy and just paste this salary here. But this is not the net salary. We also need to get the bonus, correct? So You can just copy these, highlight this range, go to paste special, and just click on add. And you see that the bonus is added to the salary here. Would you want me to repeat it again?
Yes, please.
Great. Okay. So we have a data set where they have given us a salary and each employee is getting some performance bonus. So what we need to do is we'll not fidget. I can also, just directly add the bonus here, but that will not give me what the original salary of the employee was. So let's not tamper with that data. What we can do is we've created a new column called net salary. So what we can do is copy and paste the actual salary value here in the net salary. But the net salary is exclusive of bonus. I mean, we now still need to add bonus to show what the net salary was. So how do we do it? And if you see, everybody has a bonus amount that's different. So I can't just choose one particular cell here. You just need to copy this bonus part and just highlight it on this particular cell on the net salary. And then you can go to paste special. Similarly, just go to formulas and add that. So you have an operation part here which does add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So we choose add here and then click OK. And you see that now the net salary has changed. It includes the bonus 82,000 plus 5,000, 87,000 is the net salary of this particular employee. Is that clear?
Loud and clear.
It's clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Great. Wonderful. So in the next section, let us say that, now these were different bonuses for each employee. Now let us say if the company is planning to give them only a bonus of 10,000 to every employee, they are not going to change the bonus. So here also similarly, you just need to first, get the salary here in the net column, and you need to just click on this particular cell which has 10,000 bonus, and then highlight these particular cells, go to paste special, go to formulas and just say add. And you see that the bonus of 10,000 gets added and that becomes their net salary. This is just similar to the previous one. There they had separate bonuses, and here we had a single bonus that we just need to add, and the operation part of it is similar. Can I go to the next one?
Can you
Would
repeat it,
anybody?
please?
Okay, I'll get back there. One sec. Okay. It was a similar thing like we did the previous time. Earlier, what we have done is the bonus part was different for each and every employee. Now the company, let's say, wants to give a 10,000 bonus equal to all the employees. So what you need to do is similarly where we had, copy their whatever their earlier salary is without the bonus, you just add it in the next column. Then what you need to do is copy this particular bonus and highlight it onto every employee because all of them are getting the same bonus. And just go to paste special and go to formulas and just click add. And you see their net salary is now inclusive of the bonus. The salary was 1,22,000 plus this employee got additional bonus of 10,000 and all the 10,000 has been added to their salaries. Clear?
Yes.
Great. So in the next operation, it works similarly, but here they are asking us to subtract the amount, that is deduct the amount from their salary. So it's a similar operation, just copy their particular salaries here. And now we don't want to give them a bonus. We want to deduct that bonus from their, salaries. So what do? Just copy this particular amount that you want to deduct from their salaries and highlight the cell where you have included the salary. And then you can go to paste special and go to this operation called subtract. Can you see the subtract here? First we were adding and now we want to deduct. So we have to use subtract. And then when I click OK, you will see their salaries have got reduced. Earlier it was 72,000. When I deducted 5,000, it became 67,000 here. And so on for the other people also. 5,000 each has been, subtracted from their original salary. And this is what is their net salary. Is this clear?
All clear.
Great. Similarly, now you want to calculate how much an employee takes every month, yearly, so the number of months we know are 12 months in a year. Similarly, what you can do is, what is their yearly salary, that each month they're taking, so you just want to get it for the whole year. So similarly, you can just click on this cell, 12, we know it's 12 months, highlight on each and every range here, go to paste special and use this operation called as multiply and click OK. You know that this person takes 8,64,000 salary in the entire year. You get each ones for the total year. All you have to do is just go to paste special and click on the multiply part. This is clear?
Yes.
Can you show one more time?
Great. Yes, I will do that. So okay. Now a company wants to, know the total salary for the year for each and every employee. So we know that the number of months in a year are 12. Just copy their salary as we did in the previous cells. Just copy this cell because we know there are 12 months in a year. So you can just, mention 12 on a separate cell. Just copy that, highlight this particular range, go to paste special, go to formulas and say multiply. And you get their yearly salary here. I hope I'm clear.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, welcome. So similarly, would anybody want to, do this to know the quarterly pay of the employee? We know that in a year we'll have 4 quarters, right? Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So here also we use a similar operation and just use the divide in the paste special. So would you people try on your screens?
Yes.
It works similarly. You just need to copy their original pay and put it in this particular thing. But the company wants to know what is the quarterly pay for 3 months, how much they are taking. We have 4 quarters in a year. So all we are doing is just click on this 4, highlight this range, go to paste special and use this operation called divide. And there you know that the quarterly pay for each of the employee. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. Now, let's come to this particular cell number. I will request you all to come to cell number, column number AS24. You can see in the name box AS24 or you can type it there, you will get it. You all are able to get this?
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
See, when we work with large amounts of data, sometimes we see missing blanks and, the values are written elsewhere. So what happens? It's really, chaotic, and you can't work on such datas, where information is half filled, some areas are missing, and, it gets very chaotic to calculate anything that way. Now, um suppose See, for the March, the data is missing here. For June, it is missing, and the value is given in the next particular column, AT. And even for October, it is missing. So how do we bring back this here? Instead of sitting, imagine this is okay. This is just a small data. But imagine if you have a data of more than 100. Individually and manually typing, the missing numbers is very chaotic because you have to check each and every column, and it is very difficult to work like that. So consumes a lot of time. So what you need to do, just select this particular cell where the datas are mentioned in a separate column, and highlight the range where you want to put them back, and then go to paste special. It gives you a feature called skip blanks. Are you able to see this on my screen? Skip blanks.
Yes.
Yes.
So once you put a tick mark, once you highlight it, there is a tick mark option here. And then you click OK, you will see that the data has been filled for March or wherever it was missing for that matter. And you no more have missing blanks in your data. So this is some wonderful feature of, Paste Special, which allows you to work even on blanks and missing data. Is this clear? Would you want me to repeat it one more time?
Yes,
Yes,
repeat.
please.
Great. So I
Please,
will
madam.
remove the data March, I will remove this June, and I will remove this October data here. As you all can see that to the right, the values are mentioned for March and June and October, but we want to put it together and collate it in this particular cell. So how do we do it? So what we can do is just select this particular range, okay, and then press Ctrl C and just highlight on the range where you want to bring back the missing data. Go to this particular feature of paste special, and you can see in the last you have something called skip blanks. And when you do that, you will see that your data automatically gets shifted here and all your cells have been filled with the missing data. This is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. Now, similarly, in Paste Special, we also have a wonderful feature. Now, suppose, let us say this data is column-wise. And now the management wants it, row-wise. So you can't, copy each and every, cell like Jan here, Feb here, March here. That will take, imagine this is okay. But if you have a larger data, what do you do? So all you have to do is select the data that you want, bring it to a different cell. Click on a different range. Oh, sorry. Sorry, 1 minute. Suppose I want to put this data horizontally, this way. I don't want it this way. So there is a feature in Paste Special. You have something called transpose, which was next to the skip blanks. When you click on transpose, you will see that your data has been shifted in the horizontal direction. And similarly, again, this, if you want to shift it back to vertical, you have to use the same feature and you can, again get it back in the column style. So just go to Paste Special, and when you re-click on transpose, you will see again you'll get a vertical data. Excuse me. Is this clear?
Yes.
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 Great. So did you all like the Paste Special feature? Did you all know that many things could be done in Paste Special as a feature of Excel?
I did not know. I
I
learned a
did
lot today.
not know.
Yes, so that actually, saves a lot of time. It is a wonderful feature when you're working with, large amounts of data and, you want to manually typing takes a lot of time and you can't do that. So Now we will go ahead and learn something on flash fill. Do you all know what flash fill is?
No. No.
Okay. Okay.
No.
Yeah, we are all here to learn. So what I will do is I will share one file with you all, which is called flash fill. Just let me know once you receive it. Have you all received that in your chat box? Can you please check?
Not yet.
Okay. Could I just ask my team to check on it once, because I've shared it in the chat box.
Sure, Sheetal, I'll just check.
Thank you.
I hope everyone have received this file, flash fill.
Yes, we
Yes.
received.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Great.
Great. So Excel has some great features, when we are working on, like, see, if you would have typed serial numbers in Excel, like 1, 2, and then you just drag and drop that particular cell, you get automatic numbers, correct? Like 1 to 10 or 1 to 20. So
Yeah.
that feature is called as autofill. But autofill can replicate only simple patterns. So flash fill is a wonderful feature, that takes a step further. Not only it detects the data pattern, okay, it also adapts based on your actions to format and combine data, which will save you a lot of time. Imagine you are one of the HR managers and you have about 300 employees and you want to sit and know their first name, their last name. It's very, time consuming again to, sit and manually sit and type it. So flash fill in a click of a moment, can do this thing for you. So can you see this data on my screen?
Yes.
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 Okay. So the first employee name, it is not even in proper. It is in small here, the first name. The second name also starts with a small letter. So how do we make it proper? And imagine sitting and typing all this. So what I do is I just type the first name with the first letter in capital. Here they're asking me that they want only the first name of the employees. You can see the first name and in proper case. So now when I click here, you can see I've only typed one name. And the shortcut key to use flash fill is Control plus E. As in Control E, if you press, you will get the other things below. So once I pressed Control E, now you see all my first names have been copied in proper case. Would you all like to try it on your screens?
Then can you repeat, please?
Okay. Now we've been given some names of employees here. Okay. Now we want to split their first name, their last name, their email IDs and whatever. So imagine sitting and typing manually for each and every employee. This is a small data set, but when you're working with large data, flash fill is a wonderful feature again. So here I just type the first name in proper case, SWATHI. That's the first name of this particular employee. Okay. And I come down below it. I don't want to type everything. All I just need to do is press Control plus E. And you see all the below names of the employee's first name only gets copied here. Isn't that great?
Yeah, that's great.
Yes. Similarly, for the next name, they want the second name. Now her full name is Swati Matam. So Swati, and now I want to put the, Similarly, I just put only the second name for the last name and then press Control E, and you see that the second name of all the employees get copied. Why don't you all try it? I'm sure you'll love this feature. Just try it. You have the files with you,
Teacher,
right?
I have
Yes.
a problem because when I
Okay.
do Control E,
Okay.
every name starts with the letter S,
Can you please share your
like with
screen
the
with me?
first one. Yes.
Can you just share your screen with me?
Yeah, 1 minute. Share
Yes.
screen. Then it might you cannot start share
Oh,
screen while the other
okay,
participant
okay,
is
okay.
sharing.
I will just stop my screen. You can just share yours. Let me just quickly have a look what's going wrong there.
Can you see my screen?
Not as yet. Yes, now I can see
Now?
your screen. Yes.
Okay. Let me just remove everything.
Just go to the first name and just type SWATHI. But you also need to ensure you're typing the correct spelling there. Put the caps
Swatis.
lock E. Put the caps lock. Yes, that's okay.
Yeah?
Just check the spelling. Is it SWATHI?
Yeah, that's it.
Just come to the next cell. Just put your caps lock button on. Caps lock will be in your keyboard.
Yeah.
Now just press Control and letter E.
You see? That's what I did.
Okay.
And even here, if I do it,
Is everybody facing the same thing?
No, mine is
everything just
No,
go.
no, but
Mine
I did it
was
without caps lock.
Okay. Fine. You can send me this. I will have a look at it because usually it doesn't happen this way. Maybe I will just check what it is. Maybe you can. I'll just share my email ID maybe in the inbox during the end of the session, and you can send it across to me. I'll just have a look at it.
Okay, will do.
Okay. Okay. So all of you are able to view my screen.
yes.
Okay. Now they are saying here they just want the first name in caps. Similarly, just type only the first name of the employee in caps, come down and press Control E. All the names get copied in. So you can see that it detects that particular pattern and you don't have to go manually type with each and every employee. And let's say you want the last name, comma, the first name. Sorry. And just come down and press Control E. You will see that everybody's second name, comma, the first name comes here in this data. Now, how do we do? Let us say everybody's email ID is their first name dot the second name at gmail.com. Let us assume that this particular lady's email ID is swati.matam at gmail.com. And imagine everybody's email ID is the same. And you just have to press Control E and you will see all the email IDs get copied. Generally, when you are a student of a particular institute or an organization, you all would have the same domain name. So this is also one wonderful feature. Are you all able to get this? Do you want me to
Can you
repeat
please
it?
repeat the part of the email?
Okay. Let us say all of them have email ID, which is their first name dot the last name at the rate gmail.com or whatever you want to take. So I will take it as Gmail and I just type for the only the first employee dot madam at gmail.com and I just go to the next cell and click Control E. You will see everybody's email ID is in a similar way. First name dot their last name at gmail.com. So cool. Everybody is good with this. Great. And this is a similar thing. You people can try it during your leisure. All they are saying is, you need to have the last name in the lowercase. So just copy the last name for the first employee and press Control E. You will get it in lowercase itself completely. So when you write it in lowercase, you people can try this later once you get some time. Now, let us say they have given us something called the file path. This is the file path. He has some file and this is the name of that file. Similarly, you just want to extract only the file names. This person has a file name called some product blog. This person has something called my pics. This person has Excel material. This person has file. We can't sit and type it, right? So I just type for one person, only the file name I want, some product blog. And then when I press Control E, you see I will get only the particular file names for each and every employee. Is this portion clear for all of you?
Yes. Please
Great.
repeat.
Yes.
Would you want me to repeat? I could hear somebody saying that.
Yes,
Could you
please.
please repeat?
Great. Okay. Suppose here is the file path, the path of the file, which is usually mentioned in the address bar or wherever they have saved their file. Now, we don't want to copy all this C/bar user something. We just want the name of their particular file. So how do we do it? In the similar way where what we were doing, you just copy the file name for the first particular employee, and then just go down and press Control E. And you will see only their file name gets copied, not the entire path to the file, but only the file name. Can you see this here?
Yes. Okay.
Great. So here, let us say we have some website links, but you only want the company name. So similarly, in whatever case they have given, all I'm typing is Microsoft here because that's the company name, and I press Control E and I get the other company name. So Flash Fill has some wonderful features that will again save a lot of time. I hope you all are liking the session. I hope you all are, simultaneously working on this data that's been given.
Oh, yes, it's wonderful.
Great. Now, similarly, below, they've given the company name and you want to get the website link. All you need to do is just type the link. This will, www.microsoft.com. Come down and press Control E, and you will see all the website links get copied at just a single click of Control plus E. So all of you clear with Flash Fill?
Yes.
Okay. Now this one, I would like you all to try by yourselves during your leisure. Here you just need to put the first name of the employee and see the results that you get after pressing Control E. And second and third name, I want the second name and the third name to come here. You type it and press Control E. It comes for all the employees. Okay, this you can do it at leisure. Now let us say we have some employee mobile numbers and we want to separate the numbers, like first 5 numbers and then use a separator, or maybe the first 4 numbers and then the next 3 numbers and the next 3 numbers. So what I will do is, can you all see this mobile number?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So now I want to save it in a different, way that is easy for everyone to understand the mobile number. And for the first person, I have added a delimiter. So generally in Excel, we have certain delimiters like comma or underscore, or we use, hyphen. So we'll be studying more as we progress. So this, if I'm separating their mobile number this way, having their first four mobile numbers, then I have a dash to separate, and then I have the next three mobile numbers, again a dash, and again the next three numbers. Now I don't have to manually sit and type. Control E does all the magic. So I just do it for one person and I get this. So would you all try this?
Yeah.
Is that easy? Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Similarly, it works the same way when you don't. Now, we have been given some mobile numbers which are separated by certain dash. Now, we don't want to have the separator and we want the number combined. Similarly, just don't add that particular hyphen. You just copy number for one person and go down and press Control E and it does the magic. So the separators have been removed from the mobile numbers. Okay, so flash fill also works on statement. This is the last part for the flash fill to show that it also works for statement. I have employee number one and certain way. I have some employee numbers and they have done sales of, the total sales 1,000 he has done, she has done 936. So if I make a statement that employee one has a sale of 1,000 and I go down and press Control E, it gets copied to all other employees and it will be, showing only their particular sales. Like employee 2 has made a sale of 936 products, employee 3 has made a sale of 462 products, and it's all the magic of flash fill. And the shortcut key to use flash fill is Control plus E. So like I said, flash fill takes a step further. Not only it detects the patterns, but it also based on your actions, you can combine and format the data as needed. So clear with all of you? Anybody has a doubt? You all need to practice this. I mean, once you get the hang of it, it becomes very easy to work on data. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Okay, so would you all have the time? Because there are a few more topics which we wanted to cover today. I'll just check with my team. Um,
So I think we would be having one more session starting from 6:30 Python session. What we can do is probably we can stop here today, and again we would be coming back tomorrow same time. And I would request all the participants, please follow our LinkedIn page, which is already posted here. And also, if you would like to share a review, you can do so. I will share uh, our pages. And also you'd like to have a certificate to get it, e-certificate, please you fill this page, write a short review, and follow our all the pages, Instagram, LinkedIn. And we have also a channel called YouTube channel, KPI ladder channel, where you can get to see a lot of sessions like this. And also you can subscribe there. And if you would like to get the certificate, you can follow, write your name exactly as it is with your email ID. All right, so we'll take care of your certificates, e-certificates. Any questions, please feel free. You have all the
yes, any questions? I will also share my email ID. So just in case you have any doubts. If there's any query and whatever we did today, if you can brush up, it would be wonderful. You've been a great audience, all of you. I see the enthusiasm to learn and, do things. So it's wonderful having you all.
I have a question.
Yes.
Where do we have to put our name to receive a certificate?
All right, I will guide you. 1 second. I will share my screen so that you can able to get that. 1 second. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So certificate purpose, you got the link. It's there in the chat box. You open the link. It'll be asking, writing a short review about our courses. You can probably write a brief review how you find this course with a star Sheetal's how delivered the program, how you find her delivery. You can put a short review and then maybe you can put it post. Secondly, you have to go to our LinkedIn page. You can go there. You can maybe you can put a like, subscribe, and then you can go to Instagram. There also you can follow. Here you can mention which course you have attended. Say for example, you attend MS Excel, you attend Pioneer, you write your name as it is. You want to be reflected in the certificate. You put your name here and then email ID and then submit. That's all. But please follow these pages. You have to follow, write a short review so that our backend team will check, verify, and accordingly they will send you e-certificate to your email ID. Make sense?
Yes, thank
Yes.
you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So
And we shall be meeting tomorrow again for Excel. I'm sorry. You were saying something, Ganguly?
yes, we would be meeting again 22nd, 23rd. We have Excel. Same time, you can come and join us. We'll be there for covering rest of the topics. So coming to certificate purpose, you have to do one, two, three, four, four steps. One is writing a short review about how you find our Excel program. Then the LinkedIn page, you go there, follow, and also you can go to Instagram, follow, and YouTube also you can subscribe and write which course you have attended. It is if it is Excel basic, Python basic, Power BI basic, write your name as it is you want it, what to be reflected in the certificate, and then your email ID. We shall send you the e-certificate. All
I have a
right.
question.
Yes, please go ahead.
There is a program called Power BI Building Dashboard
Yeah, yes, yes, we would be having one session today.
at 12 o'clock
Sorry, I could not able to get you.
I,
Can you
at
repeat,
12.
please?
My question is if it starts at 12 p.m. or 12 a.m., what's the time precisely?
No, no, your time 12. It should be so now
Uh,
our time in other 20 minutes. We would be starting Python, 2 hours Python, and after that we would
yes,
be from 12 to 2 would be at your time 12 to 2. We'll be having Power BI session. All
Oh,
right.
yes, yes, correct. If I can interrupt real quickly, Rivaldo, in that, so we have the AI and machine learning boot camp at 10 o'clock a.m. until 12 p.m. And then we'll start with the Power BI at 12 p.m. until 2 p.m. And then tomorrow morning, we'll start with the Excel again at the same time, 8:30. And then we'll have so further, and then we'll go further on.
All right. Yes,
Yes?
absolutely right. Correct,
thank
Giovanni. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. I think the email sent
All
refers to
right.
two
All right.
times. One is 12 a.m. and 12 p.m. for the Power BI.
Yes,
So maybe
Okay.
that's
yes,
Okay. Might
confusing.
be.
the,
Yeah,
Okay.
but it's
Okay.
cleared out. I think it started at 12 p.m. today.
Yes. Right.
yeah.
Right. Raymond. Right. I think there was some confusion. All right. Any questions? Please feel free. We'll be happy to take it up.
Will we be receiving certificates for the other two programs as well?
Oh, yes, yes, absolutely.
Yes.
So that's what I was mentioning.
Um,
But you have to follow the four steps, okay? Our backend team would be
yeah.
very, very strict. They would be going through. So Google page review,
Oh
as I
yes,
mentioned, yeah,
Yeah.
one small
those
review
steps
from
have
you,
Um,
been
Freddy,
done,
and
but
then
I
yes.
LinkedIn,
I see
Also,
that you only can select
yes.
one course
One.
at a time.
Yes. One at a time.
one course
Yes,
at a
indeed.
time.
So
Yes, you can
after.
do again.
So
One
after
second,
each
Giovanni.
course.
Yeah, each
Yeah.
course you can
Okay.
probably fill the form. No problem. You can fill it because anyways, you Python and Power BI you have not attended. We have not started yet, right? So we'll take it as Excel, and then later on we can take again. All
All right,
right.
thank you, Modin.
With that note, I think we are good to close this session. Any questions, anything, you can feel free to reach us. I think Sheetal also have given her email ID. We'll be happy to take up some of the interesting questions, right? See you tomorrow.
Thank you all so much. You've been a great audience today, and I wish you good luck for the next sessions that you have.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you. It
you.
was
Thank
very
Thank
you.
you.
helpful.
Yeah.
Thank
All right,
you.
everyone.
Good
Thank you
day.
for
Yeah.
attending.
Bye.
Have a
Bye. See
good
you
day.
all
Thank you, Peter.
tomorrow.
Thank you, Joanna.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Bye bye.
everyone. Yes, recording. I think somebody have a question that recording. So we'll be uploading it in the YouTube shortly.
Oh, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.